Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jesse, the Couch Movie Critic, and once again we are back in the kitchen and we're doing a very short, brief unboxing today of a Sengled Smart Light Expert 60-watt equivalent bulb that I got, a smart bulb that works with ALEXA. I got the Echo Pop. If you're following the channel, I just did the unboxing on this guy, and I spoke about it. Came as part of my Amazon deal day today, and it was $1 less to buy just the Echo Pop with this guy than without it, and it was a steal. Either way, it was like just under 20 bucks for the two, so I said, why not? I honestly don't know where I'm going to put the bulb just yet, but there it is. That's the guy right there. I just want to do a quick little unboxing, but before I do, as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Excuse me. And you know, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything whatsoever, please feel free to reach out to me on the socials, as well as Jesse, the Couch Movie Critic, at patreon.com. Let's go ahead and let's get to it. All right, so on the front, we got the Sengled Smart Light Expert 60-watt equivalent, dimmable with the app, multicolor, one pack, simple setup, works with Hey Google, works with ALEXA, smart bulb, light bulb, no hub required, Bluetooth mesh. I'm still not quite sure how this is all going to work, but we're going to find out. My other smart bulbs in the past are actually connected to the Wi-Fi. It's got on the bottom the labeling, barcodes, and so on. On the left side, it's caution, not for emergency lighting, indoor use, blah, blah, blah. It's just a bunch of safety stuff with a barcode there. It is Energy Star certified, and they're coming out of Alpharetta, Georgia. Lets you know on the back it has app control, voice controls, choose your colors, light schedules, mesh network, and you can use multiple I'm not pronouncing that right, if it's Sengled or Sang LED Bluetooth mesh products to form a mesh network for extending control range. So that's kind of cool. So what that means is if you got one of these bad boys and you start doubling them up, it actually strengthens the network. If one of them's not quite connected to the Wi-Fi, the others will get its command. So that's kind of cool, which is weird because it says Bluetooth, so we're going to figure that out. 800 watts at 2700 Kelvin, which is warm white. For those of you guys, that's that yellowy tone. I'm not a fan of it, but Miss E, the Couch Movie Girlfriend, loves that color light bulb, so all of our house lights are this warm white. I hate it. I deal with it. It is what it is, but that's the color tone. Let's go ahead and pop this guy open. Infinity logo, Bluetooth, Sang LED, or Sengled, I'm not sure. Slide this guy out here. There is the bulb, standard A19 bulb with all of its information. Serial number, MAC ID, so it is connecting via Wi-Fi. And we'll be blurring that, just FYI. There's the bulb itself, multicolor, which means you can do more than one color, which I find interesting. Let's see here, what do we got? We've got the instructions here. Mesh introductions, it's just a basic breakdown of wire specifications, mesh network setup, and so on, and so on. It, you know, uses a different app. This one says here it uses the Sengled Bluetooth app for at-home use. I don't use that app. I use the Smart Life app for all my smart stuff, so I'm hoping it's compatible. We're going to find out, I guess. But that's it, guys. That's what came with it. Like I said, this was just an adder bulb that came with the purchase of the Echo Pop through Amazon, so I figured why not. Like I said, it was $1 cheaper to buy the Echo Pop with the bulb than it was to buy it without the bulb. So there's the unboxing. Figured I'd share it with you guys. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.